His Excellency President Idi Mnangagwa says the tone for the 22nd ZANU-PF National People's Conference in his address at the Politburo meeting at the party headquarters. In his address, he told members that the key message for the 2025 annual conference is delivery of service and fostering economic growth across all sectors. Samina mashoko obuda panguwa ino achiadreswa nemutungamiri wenyika panguwa inoi achiti opena the 2025 annual conference. The Politburo, which was held yesterday, panguwa ino nyasonwa kunzi VP Constantino Chiwenga vari pama1 todipa subscribe or like on the bell kuti pinda panapa pa presidential communication wabudanya kwa mchinzi. The president reiterated that the conference presents a golden opportunity for the party to focus and re-strategize to keep momentum towards Vision 2030. He urged the Politburo members to understand that the party and its leadership were there to serve the people of Zimbabwe and not the other way around with regards to the actual deliberations that will take place in Mutare. The president encouraged Politburo members to ensure that the committees they will chair will be given enough time to debate issues. The president expressed deep-felt condolences to the families who lost their beloved ones in the Limpopo bus accident. While urging Politburo members to lead by example, the president emphasized the need for unity as a cardinal value for ZANU-PF. He castigated the criminality, singling out ritual murders and sexual assaults as totally unacceptable in the Zimbabwe community. On the international front, the president expressed satisfaction with Zimbabwe's efforts to secure a non-permanent seat on the UN Security Council as it has gained significant international support. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguwa ine achionekwa kunzi mutungamiri wenyika oya achisapota kuti aiwa patiri kuopena the 2025 annual conference panguwa ine must keep momentum towards Vision 2030. Zvinyatsonekwa kunzi they are supporting the motion yakuti pa the 2025 conference people they are going to discuss about the 2030 plan yemutungamiri wenyika. Zviri kuti kunzi ndozvirikurambwa naVP Constantino Chiwenga, ndozvaakauya akanyora madosiers ake and the likes. Muri Zimbabwe azvipere mushe panguwa ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi kunana Mutare uko kune maflyers akanga ane mapro Chiwenga flyers aisapota VP Constantino Chiwenga kuti varane for 2028 elections. Panguwa ino azvipere mushe amene zvichapera sei. Mutize mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinai comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe.